We just want to welcome you to Zimbabwe Cup Clash UK 2026 press conference as we celebrate 20 years in the making. I think we deserve a pump up. So without wasting time, I know we were supposed to start at 7, but you know how it goes. But I think we are in the right track. Today, right here on the channel, I'm not by myself. We got some special guests from Zimbabwe. I think these special guests deserve a big pump up because it was not easy for them to be here in the UK. Please, can you give a pump up to best of the both worlds, Etherton, Beenie, and Gary B. And also we have the defending champion. I think we can see boxes here. I don't know what's there in the boxes. By the name of Godfather Templeman alongside Tanaman of Immortal Movement. And guess what? They're not just here by themselves. We have the future of Zimbabwe music. We have Bagga, Weraga, Mageva president is in the building. And guess what? This is the first time for him to be here in the UK. And I think it's a special moment for him to be here. Bagga, we welcome you. Oh. Not forgetting the one and only Guru Mukawuru. And we know this young man from the Kangaroo family by the name of Junior Spragga. Watch our style. Yeah. And also, we also have the local artists because when these artists come from Zimbabwe, we need to make sure they mingle with the local talent here in the UK. And we have Muzilka's boy, he's right here. We also have Sonic, he's right here in the big Sonic. Show your hand, please. Last but not least, we have the young man who clocked 1 million within a week by the name of Young TS, better known as Zim Child, is in the building. To just round up, we also have our compere. And when we talk about compere, I talk about someone who is monitoring the clash, but he's not the judge. He's just one who's just announcing the rules, but the judges who will be the crowd. This year we have Jah Hanif is our compere.
Award-winning.
Oh, okay, award-winning Jah Hanif. Thank you. Because it's a special year, we want to try to do something different. We managed to introduce what we call VAR, because you know VAR from football. But this year we're VAR in the music competition. We have the controversial Laziti. I think the elder Major Ephraim will be one of them. He didn't manage to come today, but he will be live there as well tomorrow at the Cup Clash. Yeah, man. Big up Major wherever you are. And last but not least, we now have the MC for the night, MC Popsy. We also have the stage manager. Today we are fully loaded. The stage manager is here today, but then Ray, A.K. Kaka, is there to make sure. When you see crowd on the stage, you need to blame that man over there. Thank you. For this show to be possible, I think we need someone who can help us to make sure it's possible. Please, we welcome our main sponsor, Remitly, in the building. And also we have World Remit. These gentlemen, they always be there for us for the past, I can say 4 years. We just want to say shout out to World Remit. They're here again today. And the representative is going to be here shortly in the building. And not forgetting Diaspora Insurance. They've been with us for the past, I think, 10 years. Shout out to Diaspora Insurance. Ladies and gentlemen, we're not going to waste no much time. This is the 20 years anniversary for Zimbabwe Cup Clash. The clash is taking place tomorrow in Leicester.
Oh, is it Leicester?
Yes, at Club Olympia. And you know what? Why it's so special? We have the Titans, the Giants from Zimbabwe who come to battle for the trophy. Yeah. And I don't know who's going to take this trophy this year. All right? We never know who's going to take this trophy this year. And to those who are watching, we are on Tilda Moyo, live on Facebook, Zimbo Live TV, Tobias, we've got Gutu, and also New Zimbabwe as well. So you can tell a friend and Godfather Templeman, right? All right. We are also there. So ladies and gentlemen, we're not going to waste time. We're just going to go straight into questions that we want to ask from the artists who are here today and also the DJs who are here today. So we're going to go in the crowd and find out who is with the first question to ask. Over to you, sir.
Templeman.
Templeman, what do you have this year that you didn't have last year?
I am greetings in the glorious name of His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I. I am the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, elect of himself, ever loving, ever faithful, Holy Emmanuel King Selassie I, Jah, Rastafari. What I have for this year, fully loaded, man. We are fully loaded and we are ready for this year. Well prepared, we have the whole year to prepare. So definitely we are ready and we are fully loaded for this year.
Thank you.
I think my people are wrong. And we are fully loaded this year.
It's okay.
I just loaded my box.
I'm waiting.
Okay, so we move on again to find out who has got a question out there as well. Let's check this side. This side. Anyone from this side?
There you go. There you go.
Okay, we're gonna go over to you, sir.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Nice to see you guys, you know. Yes. Zimbabwe, oh, yo. The guys are here. I've got a question here. Has dancehall and clash culture helped Zimbabwe music grow internationally or trapped in its controversy? My name is The General from Creativeness International. Big up, Boss Jack, where are you? Oh, yeah, man. Yes. The General. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That's the question.
Your question, who are you asking exactly? Who are you asking?
I'm directing it to anyone who can take it from the panel.
Okay, we're gonna give it over to Etherton Beenie.
Oh yeah.
Greetings in the mighty divine name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor King Selassie, the first of the conquering lion and tribe of Judah, reigns and living at wolf flesh, ever living, ever faithful and ever sure. With a blessed is a man who can cancel we and God love us in the parts and ways of sinners for each shall repent God and sitting in the mighty and of His Almighty, Miss Holy Emmanuel, King Selassie. That's a very good question, and I think the sound system culture, and especially the clashes, they have helped a lot. Because if you see all those artists who are emerging right now, they all came from the sounds, the clashes. Because this is what used to be happening, and I think 20 years back, especially when a new generation, King Alfred was still in the playing, and the likes of Farai Shambari. Farai Shambari even reached the levels whereby he was playing with some international stars from Jamaica, Kilimanjaro, Stone Love, just to mention a few. So I think some system of culture has kept the dance alive, and it's bringing on the new crop right now. I hope I answered well your questions.
I answered well, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I think we've got someone over there in the crowd as well. I can pass the mic. Thank you.
Sorry, question kuna Etherton. Sorry, As a Templeman, I started with my suitcase 1, 2, 3, 4. Hobo my suitcase. I don't know the suitcase.
Wana kwenda kwa masuitcase vana kuzia zvipamberi. Eh, so vanofana kuya wakayadzogadzirira because
okoyo.
Kana vasina kusimba ka. Handisi kuona pachimirika zvakadaro. Undaona vane mabodyguards nehaba. Let's just wait for tomorrow and you see what.
Thank you so much. I think that's good. I think Nasta is different about Tangam crowds, and the memorial is different this year, right? But we'll come back to you, right? But I'm going back to the panel again, right, to see what the Jagamira say. I'll come back to the crowd, let me deal with the panel. So, Bagga is your first time in the UK. And I think you wanted to come here before, you managed to come, but finally you are here this year. What can people expect from you?
I'm just saying people just expect kuti pachange pachibvira and tichange tichigevenura because it's my first time and I know kuti mafans angu esari kunoku vanenge vatomirira mangoma. So I'm just here kuti ndikupe energy. And musare muchiziya kuti ngatisakangane kunamata tisatakwesha mazino.
Did you hear that, guys? Let's not forget to pray. But Mageva, Rumene Mageva Kazi. Tomorrow is just bare fireworks, right? So I'm going to switch to Mukahuru. Mukahuru, I know it's not the first time to be here. This is your second time to be here. Third time to be here, right? So what can people expect from Junior Spragga this year out?
This year, people should expect fireworks. And people are full of energy. So this is the time you can just go because of our see. Nengen people zvangu ndiri relax ndinoona kuti kuclash ndiana charo whitewash.
So Jonas Mandichini Babu, do you feel kuti pana charo whitewash? Or do you know kuti pana charo whitewash? Pana utoziona charo or wakangomira kuona?
Andina nguva ndikuziva charo whitewash but achalo whitewash agara toripo kozi mangoma anazvona.
Junas, I want to thank you so much. Junas Spragga, mangoma ana draw, pana achatorowa. And guys, to those who are watching, akuna draw mangwana. Someone is going to lift this up. Okay, moving on to the next artist in the UK, Muzilikas. I'm not quite sure. Are you from Kwabulawayo or you're from Harare? And what can people expect from you? First time ever on Zimbabwe Capra stage.
Greetings, everyone. My name is Mziligazi Boy, all the way from Kwabulawayo. And I'm just looking forward to spreading love, and just sharing experiences with people through my music. And I'm promising you new stuff and in all different genres, just to make sure that each and everyone is getting the story or whatever music that we're sharing at that time. Thank you.
Thank you. You know, over the years, Zimbabwe Cup Clash have been supporting or nurturing so many artists and DJs, and it's an honor to have our brothers straight from Bulawayo, because so many people think maybe it's Shona couch only. No, Zimbabwe Cup Clash caters for everyone from anywhere, and my brother, it's a pleasure to have you on Zimbabwe Cup Clash this year, 2026. And I think we need an acapella from you. We just want to hear a voice. We just want to hear a voice. Let's hear a voice.
All right. Ma, Zimbo girl, fine thing with it swim boy way. Say, oh my London girls, painting on no pizza iwe. Pizza iwe in the chap fimba. Man the chap on a chap pizza iwe. Pizza iwe nyak fila iwe. My lobolo zo keep here. You say yeah.
Tomorrow, guys, it's going to be fireworks at Zimbabwe Cup Clash in Leicester. Tomorrow it's going to be crazy. You can hear from my brother Muzilikas. He is on fire. Moving on the left side, my brother Sonic. It's your first time to be on Zimbabwe Cup Clash stage. What can people expect from you?
My name's Sonic. I'm a singer and I'm a rapper. I'm so grateful to be here. I'm excited for tomorrow. You can expect electric vibes. I'm so intentional about the music I make, and it's really for everybody. I'm proud to be who I am, and I'm so excited for tomorrow.
I think we heard from Muzilikas. We did also to hear from you. Give us something.
All right. Bass beating, your body beat 10 out of 10. Get like you are music for I won't even pretend. I'ma tell you straight, I ain't throwing you no hints. You be mad today and tomorrow I'm your friend. Bass beating, your body beat 10 out of 10. Get like you are music for I won't even pretend. I'ma tell you straight, I ain't throwing you no hints. You be mad today and tomorrow I'm your friends. Up for the world.
I think you can see it's fireworks tomorrow. It's going to be fireworks tomorrow. You know what? Our last artist, Young Tears. What can people expect from you tomorrow, Young Tears? The youngest and the baddest.
Hey, my name is Young Tears. For those who know me from a different name, it might be Zimshaw. And I say tomorrow, just expect fireworks. Just expect fire. You know what I'm saying? We're coming with it. Last year, we came with fire. The year before, we came with fire. This year, fire. You know what I'm saying?
So, that's an acapella from you, Young Tears.
I think we saw that last week it was raining here.
Yes.
These guys, they've come with the sun. They've come from Zim with the sun.
That's true.
Summertime mawanatanga uyakuno mane mafaro watanga varikurwadziwa amusati matanga nekuti kunofarwa ndokwatananga andorapera iwe batidzawo hotspot ndoda tuma bhebi tumwe turino.
It's just like the clash is started already, but you know, my one of Cordoba Zini, Zimchon, big up and say my brother, I think, yeah, the future's bright. Okay, let's go straight to the point. Makomana Ganitari, Ripakan Power Komana. Do Waripa Wondo, Panipasha. So, I will start from this side. MC Ashtaura. I want to hear from the selectors. Selector Garibi, tomorrow, you once played with Templeman. What can people expect tomorrow? Because you are now, for both worlds, you're best of both worlds. What can people expect from Selector Garibi, the scary one?
I hope they can walk the talk.
That's it. So you're going to walk the talk.
I hope they can walk the talk.
That's it. Templeman, that goes to you. I hope you can walk the talk. Because everyone who's watching and everyone who's coming tomorrow, your brother, I hope you can walk the talk. What's your take? What's your take?
kutonedzwa kwachauruka.
Only short words. Hanzi kutonedzwa kwachauruka. I hope you can walk the talk. This one about Hanzi kutonedzwa kwachauruka. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. What does that mean? I don't know what's going to happen. Hanzi, what does that mean? Kutonedzwa kwachauruka. What does that mean? Kutonedzwa kwachauruka. Hanzi atopedza kutonedzwa kwachauruka. Hanzi is not going to explain further. Atopedza. Right. On the MC side now, I know with the Godfather Templeman, Munimina Matu now. Right? Etherton Beenie, Anamuna Matu, Wake Wa now. Alright? But I just zero man with the Mangwana. Muna Matu, Ilbuitwa, Kana Esquitwa. And what can people expect from Immortal Movement? Over to you, sir. Over to you.
You know, first things first, I have to respect Gary B. Yeah, it's really and truly, we were together for 14 years. Yeah, man, and we give complete love and respect. And Etherton Commander Beenie, respect again. You know, he's been in the industry since the 90s, you know. But well then, you know, it's tomorrow. It's war. The wedding is not a honeymoon, it is war.
Oh, so it's not a honeymoon?
Yes.
It's war?
Yeah, and remember...
What's coming?
Oh, yeah!
Guys,
so open it to one piece.
So what happens is when you come through into a war with the best of both worlds, we never take it for granted. You know, we never take it for granted. Like they say, it's the best of what?
Both worlds.
But as the defending champions, we accepted the challenge.
Yes.
So it's not about walking the talk, because they challenged us. Remember that. We never went to them. They challenged us. So when they challenged us, we accepted. And I can tell you, we are prepared. Very, very prepared. We are not taking this lightly. You understand? If you remember what I said last year, when I was at the press conference with Chief Sport family, I said their profile did not match my profile, but we gave them the clash. But this year, I respect the best of both worlds, because I respect their profile. You know, the road that they have traveled from the 90s, from the classics. But nevertheless, target acquired, and he has to be neutralized tomorrow. That is no joke. That is not a joke. And when you see all these trunks and everything, don't think it's for show or for showbiz. No, 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 no. Really and truly, what it represents is what's going to happen. You understand?
So, you're walking away with this?
For the next 5 years.
Oh, so this So Godfather Templeman says, for the next 5 years, he's gonna keep this.
Yeah.
He's ready to defend.
There's no doubt about it.
Thank you so much, Immortal Movement. Etherton Beenie, one voice. You can see the ammunition which are here, and you heard what he just said. And what's your take? Because you are the one who challenged. What can people expect from Etherton Beenie?
A point of correction.
Yes.
Sorry. A point of correction.
Thank you.
When they say that I challenged him. No, I didn't challenge him. After last year's clash with Chillsbat, the fans said it was proper for Etherton Beenie and Gary B to clash with. I did not.
Thank you.
Challenge him. Because for me, it's a pushover. I hope it will fit there in that box.
Silence.
When we are talking about the journey of reggae and dance or sound system culture, no disrespect, but we don't recognize Templeman as a DJ. We don't recognize him because when we were growing up in this industry, we used to know him sitting on the door collecting money and I don't think he's got an idea.
About what?
About what? Saying because when you're talking about Gary B is known as the dopey maker.
Dopey maker?
Yeah.
So
he's the Green Reaper. Scary Gary, Mr. Sound Guy's West Nightmare, of which he knows. Alright? He just capitalized on an opportunity on the radio. We know him as a radio DJ for 40 years. But when you're talking about the real one, you can't stand up toe to toe with me.
So are you working away with this? What do you mean, man? Are you working away with this?
You're talking about working away with this? I want to know where am I going to clash next year. Because
Godfather Templeman, he said he just wants to know who is going to clash next year, meaning he's the winner tomorrow. Can you defend that?
Already. He's the winner when?
Tomorrow. That's what he just said.
Which one him win?
Wow.
Well, you know, I can tell you in a million years. King. You now recognize me in the industry. Give thanks. We'll deal with you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Definitely we'll deal with you tomorrow. There's no doubt about it.
I got weird, man.
Guys, tomorrow is a real war. And to those who are watching us on Facebook, we are on Tilda Moyo and also Zimbo Live. Tobias Good News Zimbabwe. I hope you are enjoying this press conference. Tomorrow is going to be crazy. Bagga with Ragas. Now. What's your take? Bagga, I want to hear from you.
Nina ngingoripo pakuti pakazotanga fight I wanna go my way, I wanna go. Fight yacho I fight iriyo.
It's a real war. It's a real war.
Real war.
Yeah.
Mawana.
So I was going to take Okay. Let me go to Junior Spragga. Junior Spragga. What can people what's your take on this? Whitewash Mangwana. And what's your take with them? Okay, so guys, Mangwana, because we're Junior Spragga na Bagga. So our program for tomorrow, the artists are going to perform first. Because artists right? We want them also to enjoy the clash. So Bagga and Junior Spragga and all artists, Mzilikazi and Sonic are going to perform first. After that, it's going to be wow. And to those who are watching now and the Bachulama tickets, please go on Shubs and buy your tickets. Because Mangwana, Inengeri, Chaka Bloka, you don't want to miss. And the Barkuya, Kaskai Kuya, the show starts at 9 p.m. Right? Janif, you can see this is the war of the Titans. You are the company. Are you ready to tackle this? Over to you, Janif.
Hello, everybody. Let me take my glasses off so you can see me properly. And my hat as well, innit? Yeah. Okay. Right. Greetings to everybody. I don't know how to do the prayer though, but it's cool. It's very cool. But anyway, clash tomorrow. Yeah, the sounds are ready. I can see that, I can hear that, and everyone can hear that as well. So I'm your compere tomorrow. I'm just going to be making sure that the program is run properly, but the crowd is the judge and the jury and the prosecutors, I think it is. Yeah.
I just want to ask you on there. If you say the crowd are the judge, can you explain, can you educate? Because most of people don't understand what's clash. If you can elaborate on that, with the crowd are the judge. What do you mean by that?
Okay, right. So this clash contains 4 rounds. And what happens is, like, the first round carries 1 point. So the two sounds are going to clash. They're going to go in 10 minutes, 10 minutes. Then the crowd is going to judge who is going to win the point.
So you're going to ask the crowd
I'm going to
finish playing?
Once they finish playing, we ask the crowd. So the crowd has to listen and they have to watch, because Clash is all about creativity, how they draw in the songs, and you know, the entertainment part of it and the war part of it. So the crowd need to be like, as they're the judges, they need to be, they don't just need to dance to the songs, they need to focus and see who is killing who.
So you're not going to judge to say you are out?
Nah, I'm not.
Going to hear from them.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah. To clarify on that. So did you hear that, guys? Hanif is not a judge.
I'm
He's
not a
a
judge.
compare, right? But those who are in the crowd are going to pick who is the winner. So I think if I can clarify that, right? And I'm gonna go to the VAR side. We got Lanzi T, right? Because the company, most of the time, I'm gonna kanganta kuona zaitika. So what's your job tomorrow, Mr. VAR?
Okay. First of all,
You can speak out loud so people can hear you.
Speak louder.
okay. My name is Laziti, Big Things in Adway, Magabos Finest, Warren Park Asla, Bundu Finest, Ngoma Ekabikwa na Lazi, Mabanokilacho, Asunambo Miro, Zaganaga. All right. And what I want to say, I'm the eye of the program. If anyone is cheating, I'll be watching. If you don't follow the rules, you know what I mean, right? And also, I would like to say to my fellow artists, people are expecting you guys kuti muvafadze because vananenge vabhadhara chi mari dzavo mudhilivha handiti saka vha zvese zvinenge chiona zvese kuti ari kupefoma zviraichi ndeupi. Thank you, people. God bless you. Thank you.
Mr. Varman is going to be there tomorrow. And I'm going to go to the stage manager. Stage manager, what can people expect tomorrow? Because per stage, wanda professionalism, and wanda kuti my artist ange achi performance akanaka. What can you guarantee van machoya mangwana?
Oga, tomorrow we're going to bring Nigerian bouncers. Be serious, Oga. How can you come here on stage if you can't run? Is what I should tell the crowd. But anyway, guys, we're going to be serious tomorrow. We'll make sure that the stage is clean. Inenge yakachena stage segamenzi rempostori.
Thank you.
No cameraman on stage, please.
Thank you.
No
Thank you. MC Popsy, the female MC for Zimbabwe Cup Clash before the clash start. What can people expect from you tomorrow?
Hi everyone, Popsy. So it has been happening differently for the past few years, and thank you, King, for allowing the ladies this time to lead. And for all those I've worked with, hi, my guys, I see you. For all those I've worked with, today I'm a bit and now MC Rouge, unfortunately she couldn't be here today, but she's gonna be there tomorrow. So,
Thank you. And once again, before I come to the crowd, like I mentioned earlier on, for this show to be possible, we got our main sponsor. We have Remitly. Mr. JP is right here in the building. I'm gonna give you a few moments to say something about your company, Remitly. Over to you, sir.
Remedy is a digital financial services provider for immigrants and their families, and I think it's an honor to be here for the third year. Buy your tickets and shoots tomorrow, and see you tomorrow at 24 Dryden Street, Olympia, 9 till 4 a.m. See you there. Thank you.
You know, Mr. Remedy, so that would tell that because you made this possible for these gentlemen to be here today. And you believed in us for the past 4 years, supporting us. And what's your take when you see the DJs coming to the UK instead of just artists? What's your take?
I think it's incredible because we respond to the fans. People want a variety. So I think you're at the helm of New Generation Entertainment. You understand the assignment. And when you go to Zimbabwe choosing, I've met you before. We work very, very hard. It's a lot of hard work, and it's nice to see it come to fruition. A lot of people don't understand the visa situation, to bring artists, the costs and everything involved, not just costs, help to make it possible. So it's nice to see, and also most importantly, the venue changed. Last year, I liked the venue a lot. Ingress and degress, security, clinical stage this year. I think it's important to keep everybody safe. It's a clean venue. I think Alfred works very, very hard with the team. So when everybody turns up, you spend your money, and it's nice to see that there is a return. And we see these artists here. Tunotenda Mwaranit, then tunotenda my fans.
Thank you so much. And also, ladies and gentlemen, I think we got less than about 20 minutes to sign out. I just want to say shout out to Zimbabwe Live TV. Also, you've been with us over the years, supporting us at the biggest TV station in Zimbabwe, online TV station. Please just give him a round of applause, please. And I also, Junior Spragga management in the building. We've got Blacko is right here in the building. Shout out to Junior Spragga management in the building as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to go back to the crowd now because my owners are on sheets kapanapa. Right? So any question you want to ask, I think maybe 4 or 5 people to ask questions, then we go back to Bagga and also Junior Spragga. Who do you start with? Over there? Over that side there, please. Okay, so we're coming back to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, hello, guys. Thank you. It's just a suggestion. I don't know, maybe you might have it, or because I'm just saying. Yeah, so the thing is, watching the past clashes,
yeah,
you know, as our VAR person said, like, you know, he's just there to monitor and everything, so the crowd will be cheering to make points and stuff. Is it possible to get that sound leveling meter? Because last time there was a bit of like, no, it wasn't like that, it was like this, so that meter can just cancel out, you know, doubts.
Thank you so much for your suggestion. The decibels, we want the decibels, but I think also show of hands is much better than the decibels, because show of hands, it actually tells you pana gurigwa. So can I draw from the noise of the decibels? I think VAR is about to sing them out. And those who are watching, tomorrow, if it's like a tie, they were going to ask you show of hands. Then they can sing apana gurigwa. But your suggestion we take it into consideration. Thank you so much, sir. Okay. Who else in the crowd? Over there, sir. And what's your name?
Munondizia, ndetwa Cornelius Marizani, CRK Entertainment. Right. I've got 2 questions and 1 suggestion.
We're going to ask you. We're going to allow you to do that.
To be quick. 2 questions. Janif and Laziti. Do you have any yellow cards and red cards?
Do you have any yellow cards and red cards, sir?
Yeah, we've got that prepared because what it is it's more like a football game, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's why you got the VAR. So we're going to be running it that way there. So we got a yellow card, red card. You're out.
So second question.
Second question. My young man, Junior Spragga. Marulezi. What was behind Marulezi? Marulezi. What was behind it? I couldn't even tell what you meant.
Come on, that's Marulezi.
What does it mean? What was behind it?
No,
I'm used to Yules, so I wanted to hear from you. What was it?
There was a Mangomani Marus. I was trying to say music or kune malos, kune mtemo.
Oh, it's Marules.
One of the rules, if you can explain to us, one of the rules.
Exactly, thank you.
Marus ndiye kuti mukuru azvichinji. Yakusvika Junior Spragga arira kana kuti
Okay.
My elders, I'm going to my elders are change.
As a change.
I got it.
That's a big point. That's a big point.
And the last point is a request actually.
Did you hear that?
So
the last point is the request to the, I know. The last point is the request to the two competitors.
Okay.
Chingwete Okama 8 lines, madam. Thank you.
Okay. Answer them Kumangu, I think they always watch them online. I think we can start from this side or that side, whoever. We can start from you, Godfather Templeman.
You can start from the doorman.
We are the doorman. So, okay. So this guy is what trying to keep up my ammunition, Mangwan. Yeah? Thank you. Any more questions from the crowd, please? Over to you.
Greetings. My name is Blocker Fire, straight out of Creative Nest Entertainment. And upcoming Zim Danzo artist as well. So I have a question to my role model, Junior Spragga. Considering the competitive nature of this entertainment industry, what are the strategies and recommendations that you give upcoming artists as us?
Let's say, when you are humble yourself, plus believe in yourself, plus unofana kumirira time painokwana, because yes, any time pa life yekuti unogononge uchizama zvimboramba but zvinozoita one day. So often you lose hope, you should keep on standing chipo chako chaunenge unacho.
Any more questions in the crowd, please? Any more this side? We can't get the question from this side. We need this side. This side. You come to the conference without asking a question, please. No, this side, please. This side. Over here. Over to our sister who's right there, please. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Empress Kanisha. I'm a content creator and up-and-coming artist. My question is to you, King Alfred, actually. What can you do to uplift the next generation? I'm talking kids in the UK and Zimbabwe. Like, what can you do to uplift them?
Thank you so much for a good question, my lovely sister. I think to those who follow us and to those who know us, our motto is to give the young generation the platform to shine. You see that young man who is there on the corner there? We started working with him when he was about, I think, 10 years. His name is 7 years.
7 years.
Yeah. Now he's one of the biggest artists. So this year, I think he's turning, last year, 10 what? 20? 20. So for the past 10 years or whatever, the 18 years, we've been working with him. And to the point whereby he's now mingling with the big stars in the UK. His name, we used to call him Zim Child. But now he's now called Young Tears. He's got the biggest song in the UK. Night Air, right? Air Force. Right? If you check it on YouTube, it's killing it. Right? It's and we're going to talk about other young DJs as well. I think I've uplifted more than dozens of DJs. Those who can name it, those who can say it, can say it. But I wouldn't want to mention so many DJs or artists. But what I've done is I've done a lot. We talk about Killer T, for you to be here, for you to be a superstar. I was also part of that journey. Just mention it a little bit. But for the youngsters, like you are saying, Dance of Blue and Barbecue, also new generation. The name says a lot. We also cater for the young ones to be the future. Because the old ones, like these ones, now more, we need the young ones to shine. So you can get in touch with me or my team. Let us whatever you want, and any proposal you want. If you can able to do it, we can do it for you. I think we answer it, yeah? Thank you.
Sorry, kuna Bagga. Simadala they so chingori ne wafano, they know they just aspire to be like you and everything. What advice can you give us to encourage one to be where you are?
What I can encourage you is always tell your children to pray and to believe in themselves more than anything. Tell them to make sure that they put God first before even they can urinate in the morning, before they even like do anything. Yeah, you get it. Like teaching them to put God first and to believe in themselves. Because we are little gods, you get it. So if you believe in God, you become a little God. So it's not so famba. Because like in life, if you're at work, promote, you get it. Boss way life in Mwari. So if you don't stay close to God, or for promote from life.
I think guys, you can hear from Bagga, the storyline is about God, believing in God. So you just say, I don't want to but you're just saying good thing. Yes, I can give advice, but the first advice is the Most High. The rest is history, right? That's the storyline, Bagga. And Bagga, we thank you for being here today. And once again, guys, I just want to say shout out to all those who are watching us online, because those people play a role. Also, for this show to be possible, I think so many people out there were helping us to put the show, right? I cannot mention them, but Manokawanda, they made this show a people's show. So thank you so much to everyone that I cannot mention names who make this show possible. Right? I think I'm gonna pick one or two, then we move on to the artist. Over to you, my sister.
Hi everyone, my name is Hendrina Rivimbo. I am Godfather's manager, and I've also wanted to answer the young lady there. I've recently started a charity for upcoming artists, and at the moment, before Mr. Kazaboy, Hot Shot and Tall, the DJs, I'm looking for ladies, I'm looking for females, so please see me after this, okay?
Wow,
Thank you.
I don't think we are supposed to ask the manager what's happening tomorrow. I don't want it to be bad. Thank you.
Give us restrictions to what is coming.
We are going to take one more question because I think our time is moving. We're going to take one more question from the crowd. Anyone with a question at the moment? Anyone from the crowd who has a question? Mr. Brown. My brother, just give over to my brother there.
My name is Black Navy. I go by the name of Shwento. My question is from the Legal Boy. Where can you find your music, and what music do you make?
That's good.
Very good question. So you can find my music on any music platform. So the name is Legal Boy, or via my social media links in my bio. And what music do? I do good music. I would say basically anything that I fall in love with. I don't know Spotify genre. So you find me on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, TikTok, you name it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. We're gonna take one. This is gonna be the final question. Then we move on to the next stage. To my brother over there.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My name is Boss Jackie from Creative Nest Entertainment. I've actually here to thank King Alfred. It's not a question, but I'm thanking King Alfred. I'm thanking the artist for coming to bless us here. I'm one of the music promoters label. I manage artists, DJs, and MCs. So for me to be here, courtesy of King Alfred, I'm honored. And for me and my crew to be here with them, having an opportunity to be meeting the high-class, top-class guys from Zim. This is the greatest opportunity for my crew who are actually upcoming to bless them and to teach, listen to them. So I am saying I'm very thankful to the whole crew, very, very thankful. And please keep up the good work, and we'll forever, forever, forever be thankful. King Alfred, big up. Please continue.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Thank you so much, creativeness. I think what we're going to do right now, we're gonna go to Bagga because people are expecting fireworks tomorrow. So at least you're gonna give us a teaser for tomorrow. Just a teaser for tomorrow. Over to you, Bagga. That's Bagga for you. I think you can see the energy from Bagga. You can hear the energy from Bagga. So what we're going to do, I'm going to move on to the youngest, the baddest. Bagga, over to you.
Watch your style.
We're asking,
please. Oh, that's my host, and then you know I trust it. Da. Kutora mahara, noguna kuzita mtara, kuda kuzita ngwara. Asi, inga wanda kava udza kutara, kuti sauro anonkara. Ende, vanoshiketa ndiri humbe mtara, muri yangu aifene nzara. Vaudze, futi yangu yakalota mabara, kada kusaisa unoparara.
Junior Spragga, please, save for tomorrow, please. Save for tomorrow. Like I said earlier on, the future for Zimbabwe music is so bright. You can witness from this young generation, the future is so bright. Mangwana, to those who are watching us, to those who are coming tomorrow, try to come early. The doors are open at 8 p.m. And to those who don't have tickets, the tickets are still available on Shubes. Buy your tickets now because your generation are able to do this. So to those who want to buy early so that you avoid to pay more at the door. I also Tipapeza to Leicester on Saturday. On Sunday, Chazenge Tilipa danceable as well. Munongo's not danceable. Yes, after Cup Clash. Go so 10 fire. Right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hear the last word from Chigocha Munyusi. I think the best man to know what you are targeting, right? He's a veteran, he's a defending champion. I have to respect that. So over to you, Etherton Beenie. What can people expect to you? Your last word for today.
Well, King Alfred, you know we have been doing this dancehall business for years and years, and we are seen as elders. We have so many young and upcoming artists, especially DJs in Zimbabwe. My word to you, King Alfred, I want you to do exactly what you did for us, for these younger selectors and DJs. I think it's a high time that you should bring some of the young and upcoming selectors and DJs and promote them the way that you did for us, bringing us to the UK. And I really appreciate for that. I think this time, our time is done. Yes, we have to give chance to the younger generation because it's not fair that we use Etherton Beenie is coming here this year, next year, or the other year. While we've got some upcoming selectors. So what I'm saying to you, King Alfred, I think it's high time. If we are coming here, we are coming to just to play. But for you, for upliftment, please try and look for the younger generation. Thank you so much for that, because as generation I mentioned earlier, Kuti, we try by all means to make sure we bring the young generation. I think years before we brought DJ Fidel as well to come over because he's from the young ranks, because we try by all means to make sure it's our way, but point taken. We're going to try by all means to right now or online. Please make sure, get ready. But my question is, if say we win among Bangwan, right, would you want to class that young generation? Because I think our winner has to defend it. Well, on that note, I think we're going to create another rule. We bring forth some new blood. Yes, and give the young blood a blind. Okay. Yeah. But what I'm going to do, I think we take that on board. But the moment you win, right, next year or this year you win, say you win. I'm not saying you're going to win. If you win, you have to defend. Then the young ones, we're going to bring them the other year. Because we have to make sure whoever wins need to defend that. I think it's what if I win next year? You have to keep on defending that so that we bring the young ones. It's high time for us to hang the boots with You know what? Thank you so much, Etherton, for that. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think thank you. Defending champion, your last words, your last remarks.
Well, it's very, very important. I hope everybody is loud and clear.
Messiah.
You see, loud and clear. This is what we do for a living. We kill for fun. And definitely tomorrow, when you come through, you know the dress code is the same. Put on a touch of camouflage. You understand?
Yes, sire.
When we come, we are coming for war. Nothing else but war.
We come rough and tough.
Understand that we are coming through for war. We are coming through to defend the title. We come through with no mercy. You understand? That is why we are here. We flew so many hours for war. And definitely, that's what we're going to give you. War. So definitely, big up everybody who came through last year and supported the Immortal Movement.
Yes, sire.
And we are coming through tomorrow again to support the Immortal Movement. Yeah. So for more details you want to understand, you've got an envelope. You open it, take care of it. We'll see you tomorrow, the Almighty. Give thanks and praises always.
I think the Mangwana is a real war. The guys are here for war. They are here for war. So without wasting time, I think we're going to do our last remarks, and we have our sponsor, like I said earlier, World Remit. They are here today. Mr. Socks. How are you doing, Mr. Socks?
My cake, heavy.
Heavy, just as reggae.
Yeah, bo.
Murugona say, "Wonde ripa na pa."
Bagaipa.
Bagaipa.
Bagaipa. Mungana.
Okay. Before I come to you,
yes, sir.
Hanif, what's your last word before we jump on to our sponsor?
Right, last words. We want the war to be fair and square. I'm trying my best to speak the best English. I think everybody can hear me. But tomorrow, you might struggle to hear me because I'll be wearing my Jamaican wear, right? But anyway, I'll try my best to keep it English so that everybody can hear me proper. Because, you know, when I speak, a different kind of sitting, yeah? But anyway, fair and square, the war after Guan. The winner have to be announced by you, chosen by you. Do you understand? I'm just there to announce the winner, but you are the ones who's going to choose them. So make sure, ears and eyes, right? On each every round, we got 4 rounds. So every round carries a mark. So make sure don't go easy on them, right? If they're doing the best, give them a shout. If they're doing the worst, give them a shout again. Make them wake up, because it's a war. And it's a serious war. It's an expensive war. Because these guys, they fly all the way from Zimbabwe to war on our ground, right? So it's it's a serious war. This is not a joke war. It's an expensive war. You understand? So they have to be on a serious note, and you people have to keep them on their boots, on their toes, right? All right.
Thank you. Last remarks to Junior Spragga. What do you want to say, your last words for tomorrow?
I just want to say, Mangwana, I can't wait to go to my elders and go to Chiganana.
Bagga, your last word, your last remarks. What people get expected tomorrow? What do you want to say to them?
I can't wait to fight you.
Fight you, man. What about you? Sit down, come. Sit down. Sit down. Thank you. The last word from our sponsor, World Remit, our main, Remitly, I mean to say, our main sponsor. What's your last remarks, please? And also, the young TS, your last word?
Last word, make sure you're there tomorrow on time. Fireworks.
Muzilika's over to you. Sonic, what's your last word for tomorrow, Sonic?
I want to say, for those who don't know me today, you know me moving forward, I want to thank you all for being there tomorrow. I've got so much more love to give back for the love that you're going to give me tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay, so now we now come to the end of our press conference 2020-26 as we celebrate 20 years in the making. Shout out to everyone who is here today, who come for the press conference, and to those who make this show possible. So our sponsor, World Remit, Team to Socks, we're waiting for you because, hey, Zanzaiba. I know you represent World Remit,
Yes.
one of the best remittance company that's in manage Africa.
Right.
I've got some questions for you, sir.
Okay.
How always can I send money to my loved ones in Zimbabwe? And what about the family members who can't travel to pick up?
Thank you. I think Kudara people used to go around, but not a few spots. What we've tried to do now is, if your loved ones back home, like an EcoCash wallet, from Kunog right now, you can transfer straight from your World Remit account into EcoCash Munukumba straight.
Wow.
And in fact, because it's fairly new, what we're actually doing is, whoever is doing that, if it's your first time chance to World Remit, that particular Nikirikini Yoyo, we will give you Kunok £10 for that transaction, and Arukumba will receive $10 more, just for us to use this to show you we mean what we say. Wow. So yes, to avoid this up and down, etc. You Kunok, if you send your money from Kunok, the first time I drink all you need to do is to put password EcoCash UK. That's it.
Wow.
Right?
Wow.
EcoCash UK. That's all. You can do EcoCash discount code EcoCash UK. You send that through. You get £10 discount. Kunok Arukuma gets $10 extra Eco for your first transaction.
You know what? I got so many questions for you. I got another one. So exactly how many pickup points locations are now in Zimbabwe?
We've got way over 1,000.
1,000?
Yeah, way over 1,000 pickup points. And Chukukura, we are growing.
Okay.
The idea is for us to be right across the country, growth points. chaiko chaiko not matown titoriko titoriko so the idea is
there's a pickup point which is there.
Yeah, no, we want to make sure that university has access to us.
Okay.
That's why we're pushing out.
The third question I got for you: which payout partners are part of the expansion, and how do they make life easier for the recipients?
We've got several partners, and our partnership is still growing. Tine ZB Bank, Tino Hello Paisa, Tine Cabs, Tine Quest Financial Services. They are all over the country. The idea, like we said, is we want to make sure to request, right? And network is still growing. Saka, don't just find Bagga's old limit. And now Cabs, Maragone one.
Wow.
You know,
wow.
it's right across the
Cabs
country.
again. I think most of you are going to 2,000 million account in Cabs. And one and what do you mean has been sponsored in Zimbabwe for so many years?
Yeah.
What inspired such a big brand to keep sponsoring Zimbabwe company?
You know, we believe that this is not just about music. Quite about Zimbabweans about UK. This is culture. This is our tradition. Those are tiri. You know what you are doing. When it's me say, "Muruku a bit of culture." So we're not just after no. We respect what you are doing. We love what you are doing. We want to support you. We're not just about money. It's about culture. It's about tradition. It's about community. Those are tiri. So thank you and the team in Bese and those commercial what doing.
My last question to you, Mr. Tim, is that we heard that World Remit has been giving scholarships to children. Can you please explain more to this? Because today, I know I'm who are back home in Zimbabwe, and please tell us inside about this.
What we've been doing is we've been trying to find vulnerable across Zimbabwe, and just help them. Talk about the fees, you know, just to make sure that at least varupenda kuchikoro, kumapako primary school, pabindura, pa matepa. We were there recently. Takatanga 2025. So, last year, Tine ran about 30. Over 100 for now. And we keep growing. The idea, again, is not just about the money. It's part of the community. So we just don't want to say, no. We are also going back, plowing back throughout. And that's us.
You know, I just want to say shout out to World Remit and for supporting us over the years. Keep doing what you're doing.
Thank you.
And next year, we also need you. So, ladies and gentlemen, I think we now come to the end of our press conference 2026. I can't wait to see you all tomorrow. Tombo Fara, like Hanif said, please come in your numbers and make sure support who you want to support. All right? My tickets, they're still available on Tubes if you want the tickets down, but it'll be more on the door. But you can buy at the door, my numbers actually say kupinda. These are heavyweight champions. So it's a big crowd which is going to come tomorrow. And our artists are ready to rock. Thank you very, very much to my team, New Generation Entertainment. Thank you so much, everyone who is there, the DJs who are coming to play tomorrow. We thank you so much. We can't wait to see you, tomorrow and Sunday. And once again, New Generation, the in my refreshments, guys, please. This is from the team. Snacks, text to Thank you so much. We salute you.